guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. This is one of the newest Vans model this 2019. This is the Vans AVE Pro. Now this is just a first impression. I don't want to review it yet since I need to test it and I need a lot of understanding about this new technology of Vans. Now as you can tell and as you can see, it is not your regular Vans sneaker, considering they try to tear down or they try to let's say change the materials, and it's a bit translucent, and I don't know what really is this because it is a different kind of rubber that makes the overall weight very light than your normal Vans Skate High or what do you call this, Vans Old School. But the overall silhouette is a Vans Old School in a different kind of design. So there you go guys, I'm gonna wear it, try it first day, and for me I really love it since it's not your regular looking Vans model. So it's 8:53 in the morning, so I'm here with my son. Alpha, say hi, say hi. Alpha, say hi, come on. Airplane. Asan na airplane? Dito, say hi to the camera. Come on here. Come to dadad na lang, come to dadad. Come to dadad, hug dadad. Buzz, oh, buzz. Buzz. Dito ka sa tabi ko. Can I see the dinosaurs? Whoa, look at dinosaurs, Alpha, dinosaurs. Oh, are we ready to test this? So, I'm wearing the New Balance. This is, I forgot the name of this model. Yes, this is the Fresh Foam Robe. Very light. And technically speaking, you cannot tell which is lighter, since this is a Fresh Foam Robe. And as you can tell, and as you can see, yes, dinosaur pants. Nice. Good job. As you can see, this is a new material of Vans, making it very light. This is a running shoe, that's why it needs to be light, and this is a foam midsole. Yes, dinosaur pants. And yes, first impression, roar. So I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna try it here. By the way, I'm not a pro skater and I don't really skate, but once in a while I play with my electric skateboard. This is a small electric skateboard. Gonna try it. Just gonna try it, play with it. And since I love this model, why not? This is electric skateboard.
Skateboard.
Yes.
Skateboard. Alex, skateboard.
Alex, come here. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Yes. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
So there you go. The electric skateboard.
Skateboard.
This is... Oops. Wait, anak, wait. Test. Testing. Uy, you want to try it? You want to try the skateboard? Wait, look, Alpha. Woo! That is the electric skateboard, Alpha. Let's go, Alpha. Let's go. Hindi, tignan mo si Dadad. Wait for Dadad.
Again.
Sige, alpha din, alpha din. Come on. Kasi. Dito. Dulas anak, no? Dulas! Dulas! Dulas, dulas, dulas. Heavy yan, anak. Uy! Be careful! Anak, yes, it is $150. 7,000 pesos. It is pricey for a Vans sneaker, but the overall value is there. Yes, the overall value is there. It's really good, even though it's expensive. Now, this is just a first impression review. I need to dig a lot of information about it, but I bought this because I like the overall design and quality. Very underrated, I think, this 2019, this new Vans model. But yes, at least Vans is doing a good job on revamping the design. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it.
Faithful. Faithful.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.